everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today, I want to tell you guys how you can homeschool outside of books and paper. So, we had to catch our rabbits this morning, so it was a prime opportunity to go out and check our vegetable garden and for the kids to learn a little bit more about rabbits, rabbit health, and then as well as the vegetable and the growing process. So, this week, we're going to be doing some lab books that support this video. So, I hope you guys enjoy.
Do cats eat carrots?
Cats don't eat carrots. All right, y'all go ahead.
Okay, I know an idea.
So you gotta be quiet, like you can't run up to him.
Mama, can I get a carrot?
Yes, you can. It's too early in the morning. We're out gonna try to catch our rabbit. What? It's on the porch, Nemo. Look on the porch. They're on there. Is he behind the shed? Oh, we left a bag out yesterday. We did the yard work. Oh, there it is. There he is. You gotta grab him, Gate. So he's not gonna come to you with a carrot, Gate. He may be. He came to Gate. Let's let him nibble a little bit. So sweet. What you think, Gate? What you think?
Run.
No, don't make him run. What do you think about that?
That was the best idea of my life. Because I knew that was right. Wait, is that? I got him.
You got to grab. Oh, Nemo got him. Yay. Let me see him, Nemo. Let Gabe feed him a little bit.
Get your carrot. He doesn't want it.
Okay, now let's go put you back in the thing, guys.
I know how you got
Gotta be careful because he'll scratch you, so it's okay though.
That's what I told David. How? So how did he get out?
He probably got out one day and was feeding this morning. You got it, Nemo? He's like,
No, I got him.
no, Nemo got.
I got him.
Yeah, got your
Grab him by his ears.
No, be careful. You don't have to grab him by his ears. Nemo got him good. Gotta be gentle.
you get it out?
I think to the back. No, to the back.
So you know he can open this door. Come on.
What?
Okay. You got him in there.
Well, I didn't feed the other rabbits.
You can.
Wait, they eat pears too?
Yep.
They towards it. Oh, ants!
Did you get bit by an ant?
No, there's ants right there.
That's okay.
Mama.
Hey, are they running? Y'all two can't just eat the same one.
So why don't you put the carrot in there and go get some more? Like put it inside.
What did I name that rabbit? Right there. Daddy named the gray one. Forgot what you named. Dang, they're eating.
They look. Oh, he took it.
Hey. There's enough for everybody. I'm gonna name this one, the white one, Mr. Whiskers.
Mr. Whiskers, okay.
Yes, yes, Whiskers.
Kitty.
Did you guess? Avia, you crazy little cat.
Crazy kitty, huh?
You could have brought the whole bag.
That's it.
He got all of them.
Here, bunnies.
Give everybody a carrot, Nemo.
I want to.
And if you want to feed, then don't put it in there. Just hold it up to him.
Hey.
No, don't open up the back door.
I'm trying to make him go out the front.
What's going on, Arvidas?
Why don't we go out the front?
Wait, it's a girl?
That is a girl cat, yes.
Oh, make it really fast. Big Gray, come on. Yeah, that's the Big Gray name, Big Gray. Mr. Whiskers, come on.
No. His name right here. His name should be...
Man, they're tearing through it.
They're tearing through the carrot.
And also, are these ants running? Are these ants running?
Yes.
They're looking for food. It's harvest time for ants. Because they have to get ready for what? What are they getting ready for?
Winter?
Winter, yeah. So there's fruit there, so they'll come.
Well, you better hurry up. I told them to hurry up. They went fast. They run faster.
Y'all got to get out the bed this morning and go catch a rabbit before breakfast, right?
Yeah.
Wait, like, listen to eat every
Somebody
day.
eat this carrot.
When a squash is this little, it's still good.
How long is it? Yeah, that's a little short. You want to let that go. Hey, you guys want to come pick some peppers? So I'm going to cook some spaghetti. Yes, come look.
Yay, come on.
So you want to come here, Gabe? Let me show you. What do you see in there? Gotta weed this garden. Oh, red pepper.
It's not ready.
Oh, that one's ready.
Oh, that's the one I was talking about. This is ready?
Yeah, both of those are ready. Gabe, come here. Gabe,
Watch out for
come here.
Watch out for spiders. The one just got on me.
Oh, you got some bell peppers?
Mama, look, a bell pepper. Is this ready?
It's ready. Gabe, come here.
Mama, is this ready?
Huh? Yeah, that red pepper's ready. So I think that's a yellow squash in there, and that's yellow.
You know I got a little
That's a bell pepper. You can get that. Come here, Gabe. You can pick these peppers.
You know I got a little one.
Look on here. You see this?
Mama, all these things.
There are no ants over here, baby. You don't have to be scared of ants. You're good.
Mama, where's the little green things?
So don't step over there. Go around where Nemo is.
Where are them green things at?
What green things?
Right there. Right there. The green peppers are right there. No. Mama, look what that is. The squash.
Good. Oh, I picked the zucchini yesterday. So
I
go.
found one right there, but it's old.
Don't get those two. Come over here and get the green peppers. Cause we're gonna make some. Don't step on that.
Oh, that's an pound.
So go right through there. Don't step on any plants. Nemo, don't step on anything.
There's some bad plants out here, so that's why. Oh, Mama, I ain't talking to you. I was about to have tomatoes.
Yeah, those are tomatoes, baby.
They're ready. Pick them.
You can pick a red one if you see a red one. Y'all hear there? Come here, Nemo. There's a yellow squash.
We gonna have all the peppers in. Mama, we gonna have all the peppers in the garden. My first time picking the smallest.
Your first time what?
First time.
Picking a tomato?
Yeah.
You
I'm
so dramatic.
Mr. Whiskers. I mean, Mr. Tomato.
Mr. Tomato, okay. We're gonna have us some squash and peppers for lunch.
Hey, get that.
Oh, look at that big. Come here, Gabe. Gabe, come look.
Mr. Tomato is ready. Hi.
We're gonna eat all of that.
Someone would just be loose by
No, you do not break the branch. You know better. You know better. You know better. You pinch off the pepper.
Can we eat it like this?
Like lift the plant up. Like raise this plant up. Look at this.
Yes.
Okay, and you want to pinch.
Mom, ain't got you. I found something else. I found new fruit.
Get that one.
Found new fruit.
No, this big one. Let the little one stay. Get the big one, baby, right here.
Yeah, what is that? This is a zucchini.
No, don't pull that. That's a cantaloupe. Put it back.
Why?
Put it back.
Why don't pull it?
Because it's not ready yet. It's still growing.
Oh, if you pull it, what? It's a yellow cantaloupe.
It's okay.
No joke. We are. Mr. Winkers. The cat. It's morning time already.
Oh, we got so many peppers.
So many peppers.
Come on, help you guys.
Oh, ain't touch. I found something.
Look at this one, y'all.
That's rotten, Dad.
Come here, Gabe. Okay, don't step on the anthill.
Whoa. I keep forgetting.
So come right here. Come over here.
Like this is.
Yeah. Now look at that. Get the big ones. You see those peppers?
Dang. Yo, I'm not playing. I need to put them right there, yo. I found so many peppers.
Listen, Nemo, you just broke a whole pepper plant. Okay, no. So you have to slow down. Okay?
You gotta do it like this. Get the tip like this.
Because now these not gonna have a chance to grow. You have to be patient. So back up just a second.
Whoa.
Come over here where I am.
Can I pick this one?
Now take these off for me.
I found a big one.
You found a big one?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's fine. You can let that grow a little bit.
Ready?
What is it, baby?
Yeah, that's ready.
But show him how to pick it so he won't break the plant. Yeah. So you don't want to break the plant.
Mama.
Yep.
Can you press eat the other one?
See, that's why I was telling you, you don't break the stem. See, this right here was supposed to stay on the plant so that you could pick the big one and the small ones can continue to grow. But you broke the plant, so now you got to pick it.
I found both. Wait, this is the biggest.
Jeremiah, do not break the plant. It's not a race.
Wait, I see a tomato in here.
No, that's not a tomato in it. It's probably a bell pepper you see if it's red.
It's what? It's red.
It's a red pepper.
So it's spicy?
Yes, the red ones are
No
spicy.
joke. All right.
Let me see that
Oh,
one.
this
You
is
know.
the big, Mom. This is the biggest pepper.
No, these are sweet peppers.
This is the biggest. So it's not spicy?
No, they're
You can
sweet.
eat it?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. You eat all of it.
Yay. Oh, so
Careful, Nemo. You did it again. So you come back.
Can I go show him how to do it?
Yes, you
That
can.
one got stuck.
Careful.
Alright, Nemo. Got two!
You want to
Is
go?
this a sweet? Is this sweet? This one?
Now, watch him. So you want to hold a plant.
I'm just picking like this.
Right.
Oh.
Right.
And Tandra, is
Yes,
this
baby.
sweet?
What, baby?
Is this sweet?
Come here, let me smell it. I'll let you know.
I did it!
Yes.
I smelled it.
Now that one was still hadn't turned all the way red yet. No, let that one grow, Nemo.
That thing smells spicy. I thought it's sweet.
Mama.
That's a female bell pepper.
A female?
Let that one stay
girl?
because it's gonna turn red.
This thing's a
probably.
girl?
Yes, bell peppers are male or female.
Like a girl? Ain't the big ones, man?
I'll show you guys today.
Found another tomato.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
Found another tomato.
Yes.
Ooh,
Hold
look,
the
I made so
plant
many things.
and pull the
Now
pepper.
look around that
Good
one. Now
job.
Look around this one.
This is the longest.
And Tandra, we haven't checked this one yet.
Mama.
Let's check this one.
Mama, this is my
I see
instrument.
tomatoes. This one.
It's your instrument.
Some of the tomatoes.
So you can pick the red ones.
Oh,
Can we
don't
pick
forget
some of
the
the green ones?
What about the spiky things? Did you touch them?
What spiky things, baby?
Right there.
What? Show me.
Right there.
It looks spiky, but that's not spiky. That's not gonna hurt you.
Oh.
You can pull it out. Pull that weed out.
The weed out.
It's just a weed.
This,
Right.
this,
Oh, yeah. Pull it.
Weeds are not scary.
It's not gonna hurt you.
Wait. So rabbits eat vegetables?
Yes. They love vegetables.
Don't try that.
No. Those are human vegetables. We're eating those vegetables.
Well, maybe we can give some. Don't you do the same thing with the tomatoes?
Yeah, you kind of like twist a tomato
one.
and it'll
This
come
one.
right off.
Oh, I found three, y'all. I found three at the same time.
Smells so good.
Smell good and sweet. What you see, baby?
I see three at the same time.
Well, those are not any good. You can throw those to the rabbit. Get those and take them to the rabbit.
But Nemo, don't we got so many peppers?
Oh, stop. So, yeah, pull them off.
So bad.
Okay, one fell in there.
Yeah,
Okay, you can get that to the
so
rabbit.
many green peppers. Hey, rabbit.
All right, you want to bring all of them over here, Nemo? The harvest is plenty this morning. Look at that. Praise the Lord.
This watermelon. Mom. They all came to me.
So, Nemo, don't pick. Oh, you can pick the big one, then we're going to let the pepper plant rest today. All right, now, go get those two squash over there that's orange and go throw them to the chickens because those are bad. Please, go.
Hey, Tandra.
Yeah.
Why the rabbit
Mama, is that a corn?
tomato and it ran off?
We planted a corn.
We did not plant corn over here, baby. I'm waiting for you to go throw the squash to the chickens, though.
Oh, I see a bee. I see a bee finding his honey.
So you want to go get us a crate off the porch, Jeremiah, to put all our stuff in?
The watermelon is kind of getting big.
Yeah, the watermelon is good.
I'm looking for some more cucumbers. They're munching. They're munching.
Look, there's a cucumber.
There's a what?
It's actually too long.
Oh.
There's a watermelon.
Where the cucumbers?
Look up here look up hanging up down. You see hanging on the fence, Jeremiah?
I can't see it. Oh my God, and there's a bee. There's a bee.
Yeah, they're doing their job. What is the bee doing?
Oh, making it
He's
grow.
pollinating.
You think if I go get that, it's gonna sting me?
Depending on how quick you get. That's on the outside of the fence, though, isn't it?
Yeah, that bee right there. There's bees right there. You see me when I go out?
Yes, I can watch you go around. Don't step on it. See, this right here is a watermelon plant. So don't step on that watermelon plant because it's vining.
Where is it?
You see the ones that kind of look like a funny shape?
Yeah.
That's a watermelon plant. And there's a watermelon right there.
Dang. That's a full-size watermelon.
You got it, Jeremiah? He's
Not an
he's
old one. I
Don't
found
don't break it, Nemo. It's not ready yet.
old one. At least I think.
No, that tomato's good, boy.
But it's with been head dents in it.
Well, tomatoes that are heirloom, they're not gonna be perfect. But you can eat that, baby.
So rabbits eat peppers too? You
Uh,
know good?
All right, you getting it? We let that cucumber grow too long.
Can I pick please? Oh, they're letting me pick it.
Remember, don't break the vine.
I'm gonna check on the other side if we see it. I'll let y'all know if I see anything.
The
gonna see how to get this on.
You may have to twist it a little bit.
See what I see.
Yeah. Okay, do you see any other ones on the back side over there?
I'm gonna go check.
You see another one?
Huge. I wanna see.
So you need to watch where you're stepping,
I
buddy.
wanna help him. I wanna help him.
Okay, you can go ahead. I'm watching.
I'm trying to help Jeremiah. Alright.
Oh, just like this. Dang! I want you to wash out the snake pump. I'm gone.
Look how he looks, man. Where? I don't see it.
Show him. Let him see it.
My God!
He's so dramatic, Gabe.
What the? That's the biggest.
Let me see.
buffalo.
Wow, look at that.
They look like swords. Let me get pull some more. Back here. Oh, there's some flowers.
Well, those are blooms, so they're gonna turn into a cucumber.
A cucumber.
Oh, that's big.
Dang.
Bro.
Are you gathering our harvest, Nemo?
Dang.
Let me see what you got.
I found another one.
You got it?
I gotta get it. Come on, Dave. Another one? What? How big is it? I gotta see. You know what? It's in the gate, but I see one more out the gate.
So get the one out the gate, and then you can get the one in the gate.
Can I
Oh my God!
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get it out.
So Nemo, I think you need to come on this side, because I see one.
Where?
Come over here. Watch where you're stepping. Look right there. Look, hanging.
Yo!
So if you bend this back a little bit, you can get it. Don't break it. Don't break it. They're going to be a little bit tougher. You got to, yeah.
Coconut.
What is that, Nemo?
Coconut.
A cucumber.
Hey,
get another one.
I see it. Where you see it? It's right there.
Be careful. Don't step on the watermelon
I didn't step on it.
or the watermelon plant.
I didn't step on it.
Be careful, be careful, be careful.
There's bees.
Watch the bees.
Bees are tricky to see.
Oh, snap.
Don't break anything, baby.
We're gonna have to lift that thing. I can't get to it.
Let me see, baby. Wait, slow down. Let me help you.
It's in the tent.
It's in the tin.
That one right there?
Yeah. If I get, Nemo, try to
I broke the stem easily.
Yeah, you got to be careful. So now it's broke and it's just hanging, right?
Not anymore.
You get it?
I'll take the back.
Try to come from this way.
I'm gonna take
Try
the
to come
back.
this way. Oh, you can't.
I'm gonna take the back.
Oh, Nemo probably can get it like that. If you hold it up and let Nemo grab it. Watch where you're stepping, Nemo.
I got him.
Be careful.
Don't see no snakes.
Gabe, come back inside the gate, please.
That boy just broke it in half.
He broke the cucumber in half.
Top in half.
Let me see, dude.
The head's still hanging.
Oh, boy.
Now it's
No, look, you're stepping on watermelon plants. Please be careful.
Now it's one more.
I don't know. You can eat them big old things. What y'all
I got
think?
some other ones.
Huh?
I can give to the rabbits. I gotta go back to check. Oh, I see it, y'all. I see it. Yo, I see it. Yo.
What do you see, baby?
Bro, I see something. It's in a hole. Oh, bee.
There are bees. They're doing their job. It's
Do they
okay.
sting you when you hit them?
You just want to stay out of their way. They have to do their job.
All right, bees. I come in peace. I
You-
can pollen.
Did you just say you come in peace?
Yeah,
All
I come in peace. Peace.
right, y'all got
He
them?
left me. I'm just doing my job, okay? Don't he stinks. I found one more. Nemo found one, and I found one. Wait, I'm coming!
They are so loud this morning. Don't break anything, Nemo. What you got?
It's on the floor. Sweet melon. Now, Nemo.
Okay, I think we're done picking for today.
Nemo, you gotta go through this.
Jeremiah, you're not listening. Come on, go around, because you're not listening to me. And I've asked you 3 times not to step on that watermelon plant.
Hey, Bill. Still in the plant?
Okay, we're done picking, guys. We're just going to gather everything we have. Let's go ahead and give the chickens the old squash. The 2 orange ones.
Let me check if I see another. I'm checking.
Jeremiah, what's this in here? Get that to the chickens.
To the chickens?
Yeah, that's the old
Oh,
thing.
not old ones. Do I give it to the chickens?
Yes,
Yep.
you can give what's old to the chickens.
Anything right in, don't you see a hole in and give it to them? Made it from over here.
You going to go throw it across the fence?
I gotta be close to them. They don't have to aim.
Okay, go ahead. You're good.
Bro, can I pick a green tomato right there?
No, let the green tomato turn red.
Mommy, it was one more last one.
Please don't break the pepper. Jeremiah, can you go on the porch and find a milk crate? That's not going to work. You know. You don't want to break them.
Plus these. These things fill up the whole thing?
Those are squash. We're going to eat those for lunch.
Mama, I really want to get the last one.
You really want to do what?
Get the last one. Squash.
Yeah, don't unlock the rabbits though.
It's locked.
Okay.
It's the only thing I see.
What you got? No. Okay, we'll all just grab a handful. I think we'll be okay. Come here, Gabe.
Mama, so I could put some in the bag.
Okay.
I could put some in the bag and all of us, we can. I might just check if she ate more. I got some other ones that I can get the rabbits.
No. I'll take the good off that pepper. Yeah, one side of it is bad, but we can cut the good side off of that.
Wait,
So,
they
okay.
eat the bad side?
Okay, yeah, that'll work. All right, let's put everything in this pan, guys.
Yeah, he find anything he can see in the car. We got a lot of pepper because I'm pepper. I found another tomato.
Okay, put it in.
Let me get more. Mama, can't.
Jeremiah and Gabe, we're not picking anything else. We're gonna, Gabe, are you listening? Thank you so much. Don't smush your tomatoes because you're throwing things, okay? Be gentle.
I'm gonna find some old. Mama, like this? I found one more.
One more what, baby? But Jeremiah and Gabe, you guys are not listening to me, so I need you guys to.
Are you right there?
Okay, that's fine.
There's an ant.
Come out from over there if you see ants.
No joke. I didn't even get.
Thank you, Jeremiah. Nemo, you did so well. Okay, Gabe, can you gather up the cucumbers?
The cucumbers, I got.
Jeremiah, get the plastic bag because we're not gonna leave
I
trash.
can by myself. Okay. Here's another.
Here go the pan, baby. Got it.
These sizes. I want to show Anita.
I'm gonna show you.
Size of this thing. Ugh, pick this. Put it in there. Don't forget, we also left some.
All right, do you need help toting that, dude?
Nope.
No. All right, guys, we're going in.
Oh, I think I need help.
Okay, can you get one side, Jeremiah? You got it. Uh-oh.
These rabbits might get out again.
So, Gabe, can you pick this bag up? So it'll be better if
Nemo get one.
sit it down first.
Oh, just put it, just kind of like this.
Yes,
You
yes.
gotta put something on it. Gabe, can you hold this big one? Big one. The big one. The biggest one of all. Pick the trap. Mom. This works right.
All right, y'all got it?
So,
All right. Good teamwork, guys.
I